we talked about cabbage seedpod weevil, and we were talking about population trends and some of the survey results, particularly in between 2024 and 2025, and the really significant increase that we saw in 2025 with weevil showing up in large numbers in areas where they were either in low numbers or not present at all. We also discussed the economic thresholds associated with them, some of the control strategies, including cultural, chemical, biological, and some host plant resistance work that's been conducted, and try to summarize some of that and provide growers with some advice on how to control cabbage seedpod weevil and monitor for cabbage seedpod weevil. Early seeding can be problematic. So they're going to be, they're really anthophilous. So that is, they really love flowers. So the early flowering crops are going to be the ones that are going to attract a lot of attention from cabbage seedpod weevil. So early seeding is not recommended in areas where there's a likelihood of cabbage seedpod weevil. And we encourage people to take a look at either the ministry website or the Prairie Pest Monitoring Network websites to get an estimate of where the populations were hot in this past year. Chances are those populations are going to be hot in the current year, and so to try to seed a little later. Another thing to consider, and this is based on work that was done by Hector Carcamo of Agriculture Canada and Lethbridge, is to consider a trap crop. So you can use the same variety, but just do an early seed of the same variety, and then a couple of weeks later or a week later plant the rest of the main crop. And that early flowering crop will attract cabbage seedpod weevil and concentrate them and limit the area that may need to be sprayed.